Welcome to the H2 Colonial Period Standard. Here is our table of contents for H2. If you click on one of these topics, it is a link and it will take you to that page. Today we're going to talk about H2, analyze the colonial period of Georgia's history. Element A, explain the importance of the Charter of 1732, include the reasons for settlement, philanthropy, economics, and defense. Our learning target is, I will explain the reasons for the settlement of Georgia. Click here for a link to the website to watch today's video. Click here on Parliament to help you define it. James Oglethorpe has a unique story how he got the idea for prison reform. You see, Oglethorpe saw his friend punished for being in debt, owing money. While in jail, Oglethorpe's friend got smallpox and died from it. After hearing this, Oglethorpe, a member of Parliament, which is England's elected representatives or government, decided that something had to be done for prison reform. He thought the poor unfortunates were in prison because of corruption in society. Please remember to pause your video and fill in your digital interactive notebook. James Oglethorpe was a member of Parliament. Many consider him the father of Georgia, since he's the one that came up with the idea of Georgia and asked King George II for a charter. A charter is like a permission slip from the king. The trustees are those who governed Georgia. It was a total of 21 men, but only one, James Oglethorpe, came over to Georgia. They had rules like the trustees couldn't own land. They didn't want to feel superior to the colonists. Please remember to pause the video and fill in your DINB. So in 1730, James Oglethorpe went to King George II to ask for a charter. Remember, that is a permission slip given by the king. Oglethorpe went to the king with this great idea. He said, "King, I got this great idea. Let's make some of the debtors from prison and let's take them and make them in part of our new colony. It will help us economically by sending raw materials to England and make some money off of it, so some profit. Then we could be a buffer colony to protect South Carolina from the Spanish in Florida. You know what? We'll even name it Georgia after you." The king liked the idea and sent Oglethorpe over to start a new colony of Georgia. Please remember to pause your video and fill in your DINB. On the following slides, please use the links to answer the questions. Click the links here and answer these 3 questions.